Meet the Mihogo Air, an ultralight carbon fiber e-bike with the longest range in its class. But is it the ultimate ride for adventure seekers and commuters alike? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into next-gen e-bikes, you're going to love this. The Mihogo Air is not just another electric bike, it's a long-range beast with a carbon fiber frame, making it one of the lightest yet most powerful e-bikes out there. First off, let's talk design. The Mihogo Air is crafted with an ultralight carbon fiber frame, making it not only incredibly strong but also one of the lightest e-bikes on the market. That means better handling, easier portability, and of course, a super sleek look. And just look at this. Weighing significantly less than most e-bikes, the Mihogo Air is perfect for riders who need speed and efficiency without the extra bulk. Now, here's where the Mihogo Air truly shines: performance. This e-bike boasts an industry-leading range of up to, insert actual range, e.g., 100 plus miles, on a single charge, thanks to its high-capacity battery system. That means fewer stops and more riding. With a powerful motor delivering, insert actual wattage, you get smooth acceleration and a top speed of up to, insert top speed. Whether you're commuting or exploring off-road, this bike delivers power when you need it most. Let's talk tech. The Mihogo Air features a fully digital display, intuitive controls, and even smart app connectivity for real-time performance tracking. You can monitor your speed, battery life, and adjust settings with ease. So, who is the Mihogo Air for? Whether you're a daily commuter, a long-distance explorer, or just someone looking for a stylish and efficient ride, this e-bike has something for everyone. So, is the Mihogo Air worth it? If you want an ultra-lightweight e-bike with an insane range, premium build quality, and top-tier performance, then absolutely. This might just be the future of electric biking. What do you think? Would you ride the Mihogo Air? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic tech reviews. See you in the next one.